Interactive displays have revolutionized how higher education institutions conduct their daily tasks, engage with students, and collaborate across departments. Whether you're a professor delivering a lecture or an administrator organizing events, Smart's interactive displays bring flexibility, efficiency, and engagement into the modern educational workspace. In meeting rooms, interactive displays enhance collaboration in staff meetings, making it easy to present data, annotate reports, and interact with colleagues remotely through any video conferencing tool. In administrative offices, staff can use their project management tools like Microsoft Office and Google Workspaces to update project timelines, track task completions, and visually map out strategic initiatives in real time. Smart's one-touch meeting startup and simple-to-use tools reduce setup time, so your team can elevate productivity across various spaces. Let's get hands-on and show you how.